golden sunshine, ocean breeze, summer days and memories. People come from far away to enjoy the perfect bay. Blue water shining in the light, palm trees dancing day and night. Every smile and every view feels like dreams are coming true. Beautiful Nha Trang, shining by the sea, summer paradise for everyone to see. Boat trips and diving in the crystal blue, endless fun and memories waiting for you. Beautiful Nha Trang, come and stay a while. Feel the sunshine and the friendly smiles, from mountain roads to Dalit high above. You'll fall in love. You'll fall in love. Countryside and waterfalls, hidden beauty for us all. Winding roads up mountain ways, leading to Dalat's cool embrace. Easy flights and railway lines bring you here from every side. Adventureland